Separation anxiety is a phase that many infants and toddlers typically go through. Young children might have a period where they seem anxious or distressed when they have to separate from their parents. Examples of this can look like tears at drop-off or getting fussy when a new person is in charge of them. Although some amounts of separation anxiety can occur at any age, it typically peaks around 15 months and usually starts to improve by about 2 to 3 years of age. The first few weeks of preschool are a time of adjustment for every child, no matter their age. Many students and parents feel a sense of separation anxiety, which is perfectly normal. Separation anxiety is usually caused by a fear of the unknown when it comes to a new situation. And sometimes the sad feelings at drop-off last a few days, but sometimes the separation feelings can last up to a month or more. Consistency and calm adults will help diminish the length of the separation anxiety. There are several tried and true ways to make saying goodbye easier. Here are some tips and tricks to try. Make the goodbye quick and positive. If you're nervous, your child will know, and they will likely be distressed. Do your best to keep your chin up and say a quick goodbye. You can always touch base by calling the front desk to find out how your child is doing. Resist the urge to linger. Establish goodbye routines. Children crave routine, and Montessori parents who establish a consistent goodbye routine usually have a successful goodbye. For example, some parents will discuss with their child if they will get one hug and 3 kisses or a secret handshake when they are dropping off. Similarly, try to be on time when you pick your kid up, and this will mitigate trust between you and your child. Send along a small comfort item with your child. Send a lovey or a small stuffy to offer a little comfort for the first week if your child's teacher allows that. Also, tell the teacher of your child's current interests so they can offer a fun transition conversation. Trust your child's teacher. This may be difficult at first until you know the teacher and build a connection. If the child trusts the teacher, they will feel secure knowing they are in a safe environment. If you trust the teacher, understanding that they have experience supporting children through their transition period, and trusting that the staff will reach out to you if your child is unnecessarily distressed. Acknowledge feelings. Understand that all of your child's feelings are okay, and they just need support and practice managing through those emotions. They are supposed to miss you when you're apart. Acknowledging your child's feelings adds to their comfort and makes them feel seen and supported. Ask for help. If your child is running away from you or clinging to your body when you're trying to drop off, it's okay to ask the teacher to help their body get safely into the classroom. It may happen the first few times you drop off, which can feel super duper sad. As the child starts to bond with their teacher and look forward to the fun things that happen at school, typically those big emotions taper off. Encourage friendships. Setting up play dates with your child's classmates might make it easier to transition into the classroom knowing they have a friend to look for. Understand that regressions may happen if an illness keeps your child away from school for a few days, and then you're right back to square one. But stay calm and be enthusiastic and consistent. Try some of these strategies to help you support your child during their time of separation anxiety.